What's up, guys? This is Issei. Today I'm here to talk about the new FL Studio 21.3, the beta version. This is what's upcoming for the new FL Studio. I'm super hyped for it. I'm super excited for it. These are my 4 new features that added onto it on the beta. So we'll see, man. Once this comes out, I will be using these 4 for sure. So let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see the screen, we got the Kepler XO. This is just like the Juno, the other Kepler they gave us a while ago. This one, I think it's just his big brother. So they're going for that, since they're going for that Juno feel and Juno sounds and that retro stuff. It doesn't have a preset yet, but soon hopefully they add some, or you could create your own in the future. And it has everything you need, man. Envelope, all that for you sound designs out there. And I can't wait to use this one. That's the first one. Now the second one is spreader. And this one's just like Imager. You know, if you put it on your master, you see the stereo width and all that good stuff. And if you put it on just a single track, you can see how much you're panning left or right. Super good, super dope. I will be using it. The third one will be, now if you go to your roll, you click right here, you go to tools, generate chord progressions, you click on that. Now it pulls up this thing right here. And this thing right here is super badass, man. I wish they had this when I start making beats, because this makes things a lot much easier. Because you could go right here, see how the length. Come over here. Let's do 1.5. Let's do that. Length on the boom. And you could also lock it. You could also change the key, I believe. Oh no, yeah, you could. You gotta pitch it. So that's like if you're pitching it down, kind of, but And also, I believe if you lock it, you could change the whole key. You could change the whole scale, but the one you have locked won't change. I did that yesterday when I was just messing around. I forgot how I did that. Also, you could choose what kind of chord progression you want. It has all these cool knobs, man. Like, this thing's gonna be clutch. Like, you can analyze it. Like, man, I'm not gonna get in super in debt with it, but this plugin right here, man, this is gonna be super useful. Like, super useful. I already know it. What's it count? Oh, you could do the length. You can do the counts. Yep. I'm gonna be using that. So the fourth one is, so let's say you create a melody, you track it out to audio, and now you want to change the tempo. So if you just automatically change it without Stretch Pro, it will change the audio. It won't stay in It won't stay in the bar. So now what you could do is you come over here, go to macros, then come here, and then you could do, like, see how I have it in Stretch Pro, and that's for all of them. It will change all the audios into whatever I pick from here. So I could change it to, let's change it to resample. It'll tell you this. Click OK. Then boom. 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 You know what I mean? Just those two are just super clutch. Those two tools right there, the cores, where you could generate chord, and also this right here, I'll be using that on my daily basis, man. Like, that's a clutch, man. That's super dope. FL always comes through. And there you go. Let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know what y'all hyped for. There's more. Of course, I didn't go into it, but you could go ahead and go to their website, download the beta, mess around, man. Let me know what you guys think. I'm out.